Next chapter, canonical forms. Definition: let V be a n-dimensional vector space over the field F. Two linear transformation S and T which belongs to A of V are said to be similar if there exists an invertible element C which belongs to A of V such that T is equal to CS C inverse. ಸೊ ಈ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ಸು ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ two matrices A and B which belongs to Fn, where Fn is the set of all n cross n matrices over F, are said to be similar if there exists an invertible matrix C which belongs to Fn such that B can be written as B is equal to CA C inverse. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟಿಬಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ಸಚ್ ದಟ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಎ ಸಿ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಆಗ ನಾವು ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿನ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. This relation on A of P, Fn defined by similarity, is an equivalence relation. The equivalence class of the elements is called similarity class. To determine the similarity between any two linear transformations, we use canonical form. Canonical form is a technique that is used to represent the matrix in its standard form. Is termed as canonical form. There are many possible canonical forms. We shall consider only three of these, namely triangular canonical form, Jordan canonical form, and rational canonical form. Triangular canonical form means let us consider a linear transformation from V to V, and V has a basis B. Then T of B is equal to, the matrix is of the form A11 0 0 so on up to 0, A21 A22 0 so on up to 0, A31 A32 A33 0 so on up to 0, so on up to AN1 AN2 so on up to ANN. So the matrix representation is, this matrix representation is called triangular canonical form, and the characteristic polynomial of this triangular form is characteristic of lambda is equal to lambda minus a11, lambda minus a22, lambda minus a33 so on up to lambda minus ann. Characteristic of lambda is equal to pi I is equal to 1 to n of lambda minus ii. Now Jordan canonical form. Any matrix B which is a n cross n matrix that can be represented as a Jordan canonical form by using a similarity transformation, that is T inverse Bt is equal to J which is equals to J1 J2 so on up to Jn. ಅಂದರೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ Ji is equal to lambda I1 so on up to 0, 0 lambda I1 so on up to 0, so on up to 0, so on up to lambda I. So this is called a Jordan block of B, and this Jordan block having eigenvalues in the main diagonal and 1 in the super diagonal. ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ J1 J2 so on up to Jn ಕೂಡ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಜಾರ್ಡನ್ ಕೆನಾನಿಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಲೆಟ್ T be a linear transformation from V to V defined on a field F, and W is a subspace of V if W is said to be invariant under T. So if it satisfies the condition, that is T of W is contained in W, or T of W belongs to W for all W belongs to W. ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ then we say that W is invariant under T. It is, let T is a transformation from V to V which is defined on F. Let W be a subspace of V, then W is said to be invariant under T if T of W is contained in W, or T of W belongs to W for all W belongs to W. For example, kernel of T is invariant under T. So we know that kernel of T is defined as it is the set of all V belongs to V such that T of V is equal to 0. Okay, so that is here W is the kernel of T. It is the set of all V belongs to V such that T of V is equal to 0. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಈ ಕರ್ನಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿನ ಇನ್ವೇರಿಯಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್? ಈಗ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ an element which belongs to kernel of T. If we prove T of V belongs to W, then we say W is invariant under T, that is kernel is invariant under T. So ಈಗ V belongs to kernel of T means by the definition of kernel of T, so T of V is equal to 0, then which implies T of V is equal to T of 0, T of 0 means 0, which implies T of V is equal to 0. ಈಗ ಕರ್ನಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕರ್ನಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಟಿ ಆಫ್ ವಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಬೈ ದ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ ದಿಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕರ್ನಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಿ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ವಿ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು kernel of T, which implies T of V belongs to kernel of T. So therefore this condition is satisfied. We can say that kernel of T is invariant under T. So therefore kernel of T is invariant.